Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into using AI to design logos and branding materials, helping you create stunning, professional designs effortlessly. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or content creator, AI-powered tools can streamline the branding process and bring your vision to life. Choosing the right AI logo design tool. Start with AI-powered platforms like Looka, Wix Logo Maker, and Brandmark to generate custom logo designs. Simply input your brand name, industry, and style preferences, and these tools will create professional logos in seconds. Generating unique logo concepts. AI design tools like Canva AI, Hatchful by Shopify, and Design Evo allow you to experiment with different logo styles, fonts, and color schemes. These tools provide instant previews and variations based on your brand identity, creating AI-powered branding materials. For complete branding kits, use tools like Tailor Brands, Logo AI, and Placeit to generate business cards, social media graphics, and website assets that match your logo's aesthetic. Enhancing logos with AI editing tools. Fine-tune your logos using Adobe Sensei, Illustrator AI, or Photo AI, which provide intelligent suggestions for font adjustments, layout refinements, and color corrections to create a polished, high-quality design. Generating brand color palettes and fonts. AI-driven tools like Cooler's AI, FontJoy, and Chroma help you select harmonious color palettes and typography that align with your brand's personality and style. Designing marketing materials with AI. For AI-powered marketing assets, tools like Canva Magic Studio, Vista Create, and Relay That automate the design process for social media posts, banners, and promotional content, ensuring brand consistency across all platforms. AI tools for mockups and presentations. Use platforms like Smart Mockups, Artboard Studio, and Mockup AI to generate professional mockups of logos on business cards, apparel, packaging, and digital screens, perfect for brand presentations. AI is transforming branding and design, making it easier and more accessible than ever. Have you used AI for logo design? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative design tips. See you in the next one.